Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. The equality wheel is a profound tool that symbolizes the dynamics of healthy relationships. It is depicted as a circular diagram that breaks down essential elements of a nurturing relationship, focusing on mutual respect, love, understanding, and equality. The wheel's sections guide individuals and couples towards maintaining healthy connections, emphasizing principles often overlooked or taken for granted, in contrast to the power and control wheel, which illustrates the characteristics of an abusive relationship. The equality wheel serves as a positive counterpart. It actively promotes behaviors and builds trust, empathy, and partner collaboration. Whether in a romantic relationship, a friendship, or even a professional collaboration, the principles within the equality wheel can be applied. The equality wheel has become a cornerstone of educational programs and therapeutic practices dealing with relationships, family dynamics, and domestic violence prevention. This wheel also transcends cultural barriers, providing a universal understanding of healthy relationships. To use our equality wheel, follow these steps. Download our equality wheel from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. The wheel is broken down into steps representing various relationship aspects. Each step helps identify and foster behaviors that promote equality, trust, and respect. Negotiation and fairness. This step emphasizes the importance of mutual understanding and compromise. It focuses on working together to find solutions, ensuring that decisions are made fairly and recognizing the needs and wants for both partners. Non-threatening behavior. Here the focus is on creating a safe environment where both partners can express themselves freely without fear of intimidation or harm. It underscores the importance of behaving in ways that make each partner feel secure and respected. Respect. Respect is the cornerstone of any relationship. This step encourages partners to value each other's feelings, thoughts, and choices. Listening actively and treating each other with dignity forms the core of this stage. Trust and support. This step entails supporting each other's goals, showing faith in each other's decisions, and offering encouragement. Trust and support lay the groundwork for a deeper emotional connection. Honesty and accountability. Honest communication and taking responsibility for one's actions are vital. It includes being open with feelings, admitting mistakes, and striving to meet mutual expectations. Responsible parenting. If applicable, the step guides couples in sharing parental responsibilities, emphasizing the importance of acting as a positive role model and prioritizing the child's well-being. Shared responsibilities. This step focuses on the equitable division of work, be it household chores or other shared responsibilities. Economic partnership. Lastly, the step addresses the fair handling of finances. Here is a sample of our equality wheel, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our equality wheel, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.